Hello guys, so let's talk about Facebook ad issue because I've been opportunity to work with a lot of clients. You see people are complaining that Facebook ad is not working, but the truth is that Facebook ad is working. When you check on your competitor, you see thousands of people running ad. Facebook ad is still a king currently. So if you're having issues, you just have to find a way to deal with that particular issue, okay? So let me give you some solution to Facebook ad issue. If you're having issue, it's because you are doing one or two things wrong. It's not that Facebook ad is not working. Facebook ad is working perfectly. Facebook ad still remain the king of online sponsored ad currently. So now first, let's deal with the people that are saying that people are not chatting, that the ad is not converting. So what do we mean by conversion? So mostly I find out that they are saying that people are not chatting them. Some are saying it in another way, which is something differently, that people are chatting them but they are not buying. So let's take the first version of these people. First category of people is that setting up campaign and nobody is chatting you. So if no one is chatting you, you are doing something wrong. It's not about Facebook ad, it's not working. So now what you should check if nobody is chatting you from your campaign, the first thing is that you check the video you are using. Is that video mature enough? The thumbnail is the video cover, the first place people see in the video. You have to go to Facebook, something like this, you understand, and adjust the thumbnail for that your video. The video might be good, but the thumbnail is not good. You understand? The video cover. So you have to adjust the thumbnail from your Facebook ad setup. Okay. So now another thing is that the video might not be good at all. It's not professional. You have to just like make another video. Some people at this generation, they are still using AI video. Yes, AI video might work for some people, but definitely not for all product or services. Some product or services definitely need your face. You understand? Need your face for you to present those things, not using AI. You expect people to just point in their money and start paying you for that particular product. Some product and services need your face. You have to carry that thing. You have carry that laptop, carry that solar inverter, carry that particular thing, hold it in your hand, talk about it with your real voice, human voice. So because these are some of the psychology that work in Nigeria before they buy anything from you. I hope you understand this. So just understand there are products that need your face. They need you to present it yourself before people actually know that okay, this thing is real for them to buy. Not everything you'll be using AI. So try and change your video. Another thing is that some people are using image. Yes, there are places you use images, but images will not work for that particular product or services. Okay, so you have to use a video. And why there are some other things that the image is okay for you to use. So these are some of the things you have to check if nobody is chatting you from your own campaign. Another thing is that you can also check about your audience, the type of audience you are targeting in your setup. Okay, sometimes you have to use zero or targeting. Sometimes you have to use partial zero targeting, and sometimes you have to use specific targeting. So all these things is what you can learn from a free course on YouTube or my paid course. Okay, because I don't have to be showing you that. So those are first category of people that are complaining that their ad is not converted. If you are in this category, check those things I just mentioned. You find out that those products, those Facebook ads you think they were not working, they will start working for you. That now those are the first category of people. Some category of people will say their ad is not converted. And when you ask them what is the issue, is it that people are not chatting? They say people are chatting them, but nobody is buying. So okay, now if people are actually chatting you and they are not buying, then you have to look into what you are doing, because the work of Facebook ad has been completed the moment. Remember, the work of Facebook ad has been completed that moment, that particular moment that someone chatted you on your Facebook, on your Instagram, or your sales funnels, blah blah blah, based on the ad, what you optimize for on the ad. If you optimize for messaging conversation and this person chatted you, the destination of that messaging conversation, either WhatsApp, Messenger, or Instagram, it means that the ad has been completed and Facebook will collect their money. So it is not left for you, your marketing skill and your communication skill, to make that person to buy. Do you understand? So now, to make person to buy, you have to look into how do you make the presentation when the person chatted you on WhatsApp or Insta. How did you present your product to them? Recently, I worked with a client who was trying to send local food stuff to people, Nigerians in abroad, you understand, in UK and in Canada and US. So now, when I look into what she was doing, people were chatting her, that I find out that actually this particular woman, she will just like kind of present the things, egusi, ogbono, red oil to people, tagging their price and nothing more. and she just expect people to buy. So I have to say, madam, you are not doing this thing right. So people don't just buy like this. So now you have to check, how do you present things to people. First, you have to, if you present things by your product, if you present your product and services to people by just dropping text and the price, and they did not respond, then you have to follow up with your voice, your real voice, not forwarded voice. If you try that, they did not reply, you have to try other remarketing strategy, like giving, tagging your video, your TikTok video, and send to them. So if you don't have TikTok video, Instagram video, Facebook video for that your particular product, I told this woman, how do you expect them to buy from you while they are in UK and you are in Nigeria? You expect them to send them your money if you don't have TikTok video, Instagram video, Facebook video to send to these people where you are actually advertising those crayfish, egusi, and other food stuff. So I have to advise her professionally that, okay, you need to go and create content first before you start this advertising of a thing, because it involves, before someone buy from you, they need to know you, like you, trust you before they finally give you some money. So you can see now what the problem she was having is the issue of a presentation. So you have to present yourself well for people to actually give you their money. So now if people are not buying from you, look at how you present. Is it that when you send text, that's all? No, you don't just set text at your price, that's all. You have to set images, you have to set video, you have to do, it might not be in one day, it might be a follow-up messages after 3 days, after 4 days, after a week, till they finally buy from you. So now don't expect that people should buy the first day. Yeah, less than 1% might buy the first day they chatted you, but with your follow-up message in different shape, not only text, not only image, not only video, you combine all of them in different days on your follow-up and remarketing strategy, people will definitely buy. So another thing, if people are chatting you and they are not buying, the number 2 is that you look into your prices. If you make your presentation perfectly well and people are not still buying from you, then you have to look into your prices. How do you know if your price is okay? You have to just go to Facebook, if you are running Facebook ad, and search for your competitor. I've already do that. If you don't know how to search for your competitor, watch the video I posted on my YouTube. You will see how to see your competitor's product all the time, automatically, naturally on your timeline. So now you search for your competitor, like 10 or 5 of them, look at their prices and compare them to your own prices. So if their prices and yours is similar or almost close range, different of 5k, 10k, is still very okay. But if you find out that your product is far higher with 20k differences, is just too massive, you understand? Okay, so you have to adjust your price so that you fit into the competition. So that's another thing you should look into if people are not actually buying after messaging you from your sponsored advertisement. The last but not the least for today is that when people are chatting you and they're not buying, then you have to look into your remarketing strategy. Like I said earlier in the first one, so majority, less than 1% of people will not buy the first day. But if you have a good remarketing strategy, like WhatsApp status strategy, like broker strategy, remember when you are using broker, don't spam people. Maybe once in a week or once in a month you send them remarketing. So now in some of my remarketing strategy that I use, if you chat me today, I will send you the prices of my product after seeing my video initially from the Facebook ad. The next day I might use my voice so that you hear that I'm a real human. So maybe after a week I may send you a YouTube video, or after 3 days I may send you a YouTube video so that you watch, teaching freely. But I'm sending you that video to learn something about Facebook ad, not basically for me. I'm just doing it for nothing. I'm doing it as a remarketing strategy. So these are some of the remarketing strategies that you can actually employ in your remarket. It mustn't be the same, but you just have to have a remarketing strategy. If you are using a website, for example, you are running campaign to a website, you must just have an email. You might use email marketing as your remarketing strategy. If you are using WhatsApp, then you can make sure you add people to a group when they chatted you initially, or you make sure they save your number so that they will see your other product when you are posting on your status, or just find something where you will put them so that you'll be able to remessage them and they will definitely buy from you. Remember that less than 1% will buy from you the first day. If you do this very well, trust me, you'll find out that it is not the Facebook ad, it is you. So guys, like this video and subscribe to this channel as you'll be getting more tips on how to make your Facebook ad better. I remain Zach at Opportunities Niche. See you in the next video.